Hi everyone and welcome back to Tite's Garden. Today I'm taking you around this garden center. This is St. Mary Nursery Center and I'll be showing you around what I do, how I buy my tomato seedlings, pepper seedlings. Please come along with me, enjoy it. I'm really sorry for the background sound. It's busy quite here and it's raining. Please bear with me. Thank you. Just come along and have some fun. Thank you. So this is where I normally come first. This is the vegetable section, tomatoes, and you can see they have a lot of them. They have them in single cups. They have them in cups of 6. And there are various varieties. As you can see, this is just a single cup. And this, if you have a small garden, it comes at the price of $2.19 for one. There are so much space, you can buy just a few of these. But for someone that has a big garden, you can buy the pack of 6. These are various varieties of tomato. This is the cherry tomato, just for snacks, and it's very sweet. Quite a lot. Some I've not even tried before, but if you come here, you will find what you want. It's full, it's everywhere. So this is the single section. I just have a few look at the varieties they have here. And I'm going to show you the other ones in the pack of 6. Okay, let's see. This is a pack of 6. So as you can see, just 6 in a pack. This one is missing one. Let's see another one. Okay, just one moment. So this is complete. It has 6 plants that you can easily transplant in your garden, and it's cheaper. This is a pack of 6 and it's $4.89. And this is what I normally buy for my clients. I'll be buying some today. I'll let you know at the end of the day. So come along, let's see more. And it depends on you. You want a pack of 6 or you just want the single cup. It depends on your size of your garden. So the next one is pepper. Pepper, they also come in the same cup. As you can see here, various varieties. Still the same price, $2.19 for each of these cups. And if you want a lot, you can also pick. Pepper comes also in the pack of 6. I will show you that also. Various varieties of pepper. You want the chili, you want the very hot, the mild, the bell pepper. They have them all. Just take a look and pick whichever one you like. We also have some in the hanging basket. Those are very big and already floating. So depends on your garden. You can put those outside or you can put them close to you in the kitchen. So these are my pack of 6. You can see it's full. It's cheaper for me. I'm going to be taking some of this. Okay. More varieties as we go along. Just have a look. Try some new things. Don't be restricted to just one. That's what I do every year. And I have more tomatoes here. They're already in basket. It's already matured and just place them. You don't need to transplant it. Okay, let's see more tomatoes in 4-gallon bucket. And let's go to that area. No, I'll come back to the flower section. Let's go to the herbs. These are my herbs. You can see basil. It comes in a pack. Just a single cup, and how much it is? It's $4 also. Different spices, different herbs. Everywhere is full. Let's take your time, go through and see the various herbs they have. Okay, so single cups, and then they also have the pack of 6. Let me take a look. these are lettuce, and you have the brassica here, and yes, I said a couple seeds. Here they are. So you can also pick this. Is just mix everything up, try something new. Everything comes out good. Yeah, that is it. And let's go more. This place is huge, very very big. Let's see more and more things you see here when you come. These are the cucumbers. This is there's also strawberry at the other end. A lot of varieties. When I come here, I spend a lot of time. If you love nature, this is the right place for you to come to. Okay, so let's see. Here are the flowers. This is beautiful. Just take a look. Everywhere is colorful, bright, and you have different sizes. Just take a walk. If you're coming, come prepared, because you will take a long time looking around, especially if you don't know what species or variety of things you need to get. Just go through them. They're all labeled, and you can see. Beautiful. I wish I can take everything up, but I can't. Okay, so let's take a look. These are beautiful. This comes in hanging basket. Just put them out in front of the house or at the back, and they are beautiful. Okay, so let's see more. I'm looking for marigold. That's a species I like most in my garden. These are petunia. It's colorful also, and these are annuals, by the way. So you say that you want annuals, and yes, my marigold. Yes, comes in a pack of 6 also, and it's also 4 each. So let's see the whole range of flowers. You can't get tired here. I just love to be here. This is my happy place. Okay, so let's see what again. Let's go around. More hanging basket, more and more flowers. Just take a look. You can always ask them questions. You keep walking here. These are annuals. It goes all through the summer period and even into the fall before they actually go there. If you're buying the perennial stays. It actually dies during winter, but it comes back the following year. And these are succulent flowers. You have the cactus. You have different types. You can put this indoors. You can put them outside. Depends on what you actually want. There are quite a lot. The other side, you have colorful ones, but they are spiky. So be careful when you pick this. It's the African violet, and they are cactus. So here we are. I'm done shopping. And what did I buy? I have Venero, I have bell pepper, this cayenne. I have some marigold, and this is what I'll be using for my clients. Though I asked them what they wanted. They want a little bit of tomatoes also. This is bell pepper. I have the Roma tomato. I have Sansan. And okay, no, I think I have Roma. Yeah, that's it. So that is it. And guys, it's fun coming here. I hope you enjoyed the little tour. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, leave a comment, and I'll get back to you. Thank you so much for staying with me today. Have a good one. Bye.